In this video I will talk about the variables in Python. So in Python there is no special command to create variables. So the variable will be created as you assign something to this variable. So assignment is this, for example, the variable name and the assignment and the value you will save to this variable. Or we can create it like this. Or we can create it like this. So here A will be 7, B will be 5 and C will be 1. Here A will be A and B, both of them will be 8. So we can just print and check them. So here both of them is 8. Here it will be like this. Also in Python there is no restriction with types. For example, in Python supports types like the 7 is not equal to this one is not the same as this one, and so on. But Python doesn't restrict the variable with one type as C-like languages. For example, in C++ and C-like languages, if you create variable as integer, then this variable cannot be changed. For example, cannot become in a string. But in Python, we will just change it easily. For example, like this: a is integer, and it become, for example, after using it become string. And also in Python there is no difference between the types of the codes for the string, like this, this code and this code are same for Python. And a become, for example, boolean, and so on. A can become to the list. List also can contain several type variables. It is not also restricted. For example, so it can contain even the other lists and so on. Also, we can print them all and check them. So this program has not any problems. It will run without any mistakes, exceptions.